Meet Vikram. He's a salaried professional who has built an investment portfolio of 15 lakh rupees in stocks. He feels like a financial expert. Then, a life-changing opportunity arrives. A perfect piece of land at his village comes up for sale at a distressed price. But here is the problem. His portfolio just took 15% dip. If Vikram sells now to buy that land, he isn't just losing his hard-earned profits in a market dip. He is effectively killing his compounding engine right when it was starting to pick up speed. He is resetting his wealth building clock back to zero. He is rich on paper but broke in reality. The truth is, many of us are like Vikram. We work hard for our salary, but we don't understand the importance of priority. Investing in the wrong order is just as bad as not investing at all. In this video, we are going to fix that. But before that, first we'll look at the common perceptions, what we think is the right way to invest. Second, we'll look at the common mistakes, what we actually do wrong because of those perceptions. And finally, let's see the step-by-step priority list to invest salary in the right way. Most salaried professionals follow a mental map that feels logical but is actually a trap. Returns are everything. We perceive the only goal of investing as finding the highest growing stock or the best SIP. Cash is a waste. We think keeping money in a savings account is a loss because it doesn't earn high interest. Tax saving is investing. We perceive tax saving as our main financial goal. We wait until March and then rush to buy whatever saves us tax. The EMI logic. We think if we can afford the monthly EMI, it means we are wealthy enough to buy the luxury. Because of these perceptions, we end up making these three critical mistakes. Investing before protecting. We start SIPs while having zero personal health insurance. One medical bill can wipe out 5 years of your savings. The high interest trap. We keep money in mutual funds to earn approximately 12%, but we carry a personal loan or credit card debt at approximately 14% to 15%. Mathematically, the bank is getting richer, not you. Mixing insurance with investment. We buy hybrid plans like ULIPs to save tax. These usually return only approximately 5% or 6%. With medical inflation at approximately 14%, these plans actually lose you money in the long run. The step-by-step priority. The actual order. To build wealth that stays with you, follow this exact order. Step 1. The safety foundation. Pure protection. Get a term plan and your own health insurance. Never rely only on your company's cover. The agility fund. Save approximately 6 months of expenses in a simple savings account. This is your opportunity fund for deals like Vikram's land. Step 2. Debt management. Kill expensive EMIs. Before investing, pay off any loan except a home loan that has an interest rate of approximately 11% or higher. This is a guaranteed return on your money. Step 3. The salaried core. Maximize safe tools. Use your EPF, currently approximately 8.25%, and your PPF, currently approximately 7.1%. These are your tax-free, stress-free funds. Step 4. The wealth engine. Diversified equity. Only after steps 1, 2, and 3 are solid, start your long-term SIPs in mutual funds. 2 reality checks. You might have a question in your mind now. Won't this take me longer to buy my dream house or land? Yes, it might take approximately 6 to 12 months longer. But it is better to buy your dream asset with a solid foundation than to buy it today and be forced to sell it next year because you had no cash for an emergency. This brings up another question. What if the land price increases in those 6 months? This is the FOMO trap. If you empty your bank account to buy land today because it's cheaper and a job loss happens tomorrow, you cannot sell 1 square foot of that land to pay your bills. You will be forced into a high-interest loan. Real wealth is the power to keep what you buy. Your action step. Open your bank app. Look at your agility fund. If it's not ready, Make that your only priority for the next 3 months. Which perception trap have you fallen into recently? Let's share our experiences and learn together in the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more interactive and informative discussions.